So in the last lecture, we have covered about the different components of concrete. So in this, we have already discussed about the cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, admixture, water. Apart from this, we have already discussed about the properties of concrete in a fresh stage. So at presently, we will start properties of cement concrete in a hardened stage. So when the concrete is going to hard, and what will be the property of concrete in that stage, that we will discuss now. So in this case, first of all, we have different types of properties in a hardened stage when we can't give any shape to the concrete. It's getting started hardened stage. Okay, in this part we are having strength. There are different types of strength: compressive strength, tensile strength, flexure strength, shear strength, bond strength. Then second part is durability. Third is impermeability. Next is dimensional changes, which comes through elasticity, shrinkage, creep, thermal expansion, fatigue, and last one is fire resistance. So these are the properties which are directly related in hardened stage. So in that case, environmental, you can say environmental impact, climate change, everything is will directly stress on concrete. So if the concrete is withstand, or you can say against, in these types of properties, then it will give you better strength. If it is not resist these types of stresses, then it will fail in when loading condition is there. Okay, so first of all, we will talk about the strength of concrete. So there are different types of strength, as you already studied in the last semesters in SOM. So compressive strength of concrete. So as you know already, concrete is concrete having strength in compressive manner. Concrete is strong in compressive strength and weak in tensile strength. So there are two forces. First one is compressive forces, and another one is tensile forces. When we are going to make a RCC concrete, means reinforced cement concrete, two types of stresses are acting on that part, particular structural component of concrete: compressive strength and tensile strength. The part of compressive strength will be taken by concrete, and the part of tensile strength will be taken by the reinforcement. So that's why it is a combination of reinforcement and cement concrete. So they are taking their stresses accordingly so that the structure can withstand with the stresses. So there are different types of grade, as you already listened about M20, M25, 30, and we are going to design higher grades from IS code, IS according to IS 456 2000 and 10262 as per IS specifications. So in that case, if we are talking about M20, M25, it means there will be a characteristic strength of M20 grade that will be 20 Newton per mm square after 28 days curing. So that should be 20 Newton per mm square. If it is less than the target mean strength, then we can't use that mix in our structures. So already when we are going to design the concrete mix, we have to make a trial mix to ensure that it will give this much strength when we are going to cast. So that is known as a compressive strength. So it is designated by FCK, as you see on the screen. FCK mean characteristic compressive strength of concrete. Unit is Newton per mm square. How it can be checked? It can be checked by compressive strength test by cube test. So what are the dimension of cube? Anyone? What will be the dimension of concrete cube which we are going to test for compressive strength of concrete? Any student?
Slant height.
Sorry?
जी sir.
What will be the size of concrete cube for compressive strength test? Nisha?
Sir, 150 centimeters.
Units?
Units, okay. Newton per mm square.
Mm.
It's only mm. Total compressive strength having units Newton per mm square. The size of concrete cube is 150 by 150 by 150 mm or 15 centimeters. So there are number of factors. All of you can mute yourself.
Yes sir.
Factor affecting compressive strength. So there are a number of factors which are affecting the compressive strength of cement concrete. The first one is characteristics of cement.